Renuva is an adipose allograft matrix, which is donated from donated tissues, which are extensively screened. So the chance of obviously anything negative coming from this is extremely low. The product itself is extracellular matrix and naturally occurring growth factors in very high concentration, no cells. So it's treated in such a way that it is essentially a sterile product with growth factors which interact with your own body and eventually gets replaced by your own fat cells. MTF is the #1 company in the world in this particular industry. For many years they've been supplying donated tissues for all kinds of procedures, whether it's orthopedic or skin graft, or they supply collagen, bone, they supply collagen, bone, and dermal allograft for various types of procedures, and they've been doing this for many years. So this is a new product in the sense that it's adipose derived, and it's used for a cosmetic indication versus a reconstructive one. But you can stand behind this company. It's been around for a very long time, and it also is a non-profit company, so all the profits go back into research and education. MTF also does not accept fat from liposuction, essentially from donors in that respect. Part of the reason for doing that is quality control, and to ensure you get the absolute best product, they need to control many aspects, and that doesn't give them the control they need. I don't know if I should put that. I'm not sure if that's entirely accurate. I'll just say, let me just change that. So at this time, MTF does not accept fat from liposuction from people who want to donate from liposuction.